Hey everyone, welcome back to Zara's Car Info. Today, we're diving into an exciting overview of the 2025 BMW 3 Series SUV. Let's break down everything you need to know about this sleek and powerful ride. Pricing Cologne. The 2025 BMW 3 Series SUV is expected to start at around $45,000 for the base model. However, higher trims and additional features can push the price closer to $60,000, depending on the configuration and options you choose. Safety: Safety is always a top priority for BMW, and the 2025 3 Series SUV is no exception. It comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind dash spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, rear-view camera, and parking sensors. In addition, it has a solid structure designed to absorb impact and protect passengers in the event of a collision. BMW's reputation for safety makes this SUV a reliable choice for families and adventure seekers alike. Performance: Under the hood, the 2025 BMW 3 Series SUV delivers impressive performance. Whether you're on city roads or tackling highways, the base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 155 horsepower. For those craving more power, the higher trims offer a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with an output of 382 horsepower, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offers all-wheel drive for better traction and stability. The driving dynamics are what you'd expect from BMW: smooth handling, responsive steering, and a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on long journeys. Overall features: The 2025 BMW 3 Series SUV combines luxury and technology. Inside, you'll find a premium cabin with high-quality materials, a large touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive interface. The SUV also boasts generous space for passengers and cargo, making it a great choice for those looking for versatility.